Good evening everyone, I'm Arthur Shabok. I am here to teach you about promoting Server 2016 controller domain. Now we are here to the Server Manager dashboard. Now we start. We need to click the add domain. And now we're here. Next. And then we click the Active Directory, then add features, and then click the this is DHCP server, and then add feature. Then we click next. Next. And then now here next add-ons, and then here next, then there next lang, then now install, then wait until installing is complete. After complete installing, you now click the close button. You're back in the Server Manager dashboard. Then we click this notification, and then click promote this server to a domain. Then here we add a new forest, root domain name. Type here cctc .ado.ph. Then click next. Then here the domain controller option. Now we type our password here. Then after typing password, we click next. Then next. Then here the verify the name to assign to the domain as a change it if necessary. And we type here cctc. Okay, then next. We click next button. Turn out next. We click next here. Okay, next. Then your review option. Then next. We click next here. Then we will wait until the verifying frequency for domain. Okay, done. After done loading, we check here. And then now install. Click install button. Then wait until the installation is complete. After complete, you're about to be signed out. The computer being registered because of we click button here, close. Okay, then close. Okay, it's automatic siya ma-restart after nimo ma-change. Okay, we click Control Alt Delete to unlock the window. Okay, insert Control Alt Delete. type your password. And then go, wait. Now we're here, our window, server 2016. Now we click into server manager. Let's check if success. Then we go to local server to see, and now this is our domain. The domain is cctc.edu.ph. Now it's complete. We check the other notification. Now click the complete DHCP, and then we go to next, and then here the CCTC dash administrator, and then wala tayong butang diri, commit, click close. Then now here, now we're done of the